Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A3 headlight. First, you'll need to gather a few essential tools, including a T25 Torx driver and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. We'll begin by accessing the headlight assembly, which often involves removing a few securing bolts or a small access panel. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once you've gained access, the next step is to disconnect the electrical connector. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling it free. Then, use your T25 Torx driver to remove all the bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the car's frame. Take your time and ensure all fasteners are removed. With the bolts out, you can carefully pull the entire headlight unit straight out of its mounting position. Now, it's time to install your new headlight. Carefully align the new assembly with the mounting points and guide it into the opening. Push it firmly until it sits flush against the vehicle's body. Once properly seated, reinsert all the Torx bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Double-check that the headlight is stable and doesn't wobble, ensuring a proper fit and function. To complete the installation, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of your new headlight. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Before closing everything up, turn on your car and test the new headlight. Check both the low and high beams to ensure everything is working correctly. For more great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.